hope you all are doing good. Now, for this week for fun, let's do something more interesting with our command prompt. Now, do you know that we can hide the local path that shows by default when you log into your command prompt? This one. So you can see that it is hidden from you, right? So how did I do that? So there may be scenarios that you have to share your screen or your meeting, and you don't want people to know what directly that you are currently into in your command prompt. So to do that, follow. Okay, for that, let's type this command. Okay. Now, once you have typed this, you will see that you will get it is a prompt command that you type, and you'll find all these options that you have, right? And you have all these options to change your, you want to change your prompt. You can change to Amsterdam, ampersand, pipe, anything. So, okay, I want to do it. I want to just have the current time, or let's do Windows version now. Okay, so you will type prompt uh, dollar and C. Okay, great. Now you see my prompt is showing the version that I have in this computer. So this is what you can do, and it is very interesting. And it's just a cool stuff. I thought that I will share you on this Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.